Alright, Kai Trim, I know you told me that one of the plugs down here, you just gotta plug in the pin, but all the connectors down here, they are female, coming out of the plug, and male inside the connector. The one provided is a male pin. So I don't think, unless there's another one like back there that I'm going to use to connect, I don't see where. But these are all the connectors. Got 1, 2, 3. I thought that would be one. That one right there, and then I have those 2 others back there, and I'm gonna check, and there's another one right there, and of course the yellow is probably airbags. So let's call this connector number 1, call that connector number 2, connector number 3, connector number 4, number 5, number 6, and this one, I guess number 7. So let me know which plug you're gonna refer me to. I missed that black one down there. I guess that'll be number 8. So now what I'm thinking is that I'm not gonna come from the front of this plug. So I guess whichever one you tell me, I gotta come from the back side. I guess that will be where I will plug in, from the back side. And I gotta take that off somehow to get back there, or use a mirror to get the pin in place. Alrighty, let me know. Alright, I don't know if you can see, let's see, I'm trying to get this angle, but there's those other connectors up there also. These are higher into the panel, closer to the fuse box, instead of being at the bottom down here like the other ones are. They're up there. So that's all that I could see right now. All right, but yes, the folding mirrors are working fine, no problems.